What up, everyone? This is Gabriel coming to you with a live video, and just wanted to say hey, and if you don't mind liking this video and subscribing to my YouTube channel, and let's get into an unboxing that I have of the Kenu Airbase wireless. If you can see that, this is the Airbase wireless. It's a charging stand that's for your car. And so this is what it looks like on the front. And if you open it, this is what it looks like. So you can put your phone right there, and you don't have to put a plug into your phone to charge it. So, and this is what the back is, all the stuff you can do with it. It has a suction cup right there. So it says strong, secure suction cup. And then it says 4 dashboards, windows, fanless ventilation. And then at 360 per volt. So you can turn it different ways you want. Like you can turn it sideways or straight up and down. And then it has, and so you do not want to get keys or anything near this, because it might mess up the wireless charging and stuff, and you don't want to get it too hot. It has overheat protection. So let's get into the unboxing of this thing. And okay, so this is what it looks like. This is not my first time to do an unboxing, but I try to do them perfectly. So yeah, like I said, if you don't mind, please liking this video, putting a comment, and subscribing to my channel, because I will be putting the link where you can buy this if you want to buy it. So it's a way of not having to have cables anywhere. So you just put it on there and it starts charging. This is my first time having this. If you have a iPhone 8 or 8 Plus or an iPhone 10, iPhone 10s or 10s Max, or an iPhone 10R, or any other Android device phones, it will work with this. That has wireless charging. So let's see what it is. Okay, let's see. There's nothing in the box anymore. This is what it is. So we pop it out right here. Okay, so these are the instructions and the car charger and the cable that hooks into the charger and then hooks into this device right here. This has a zip tie on it, so we're going to have to pull that off. Okay, there you go. Throw that away. Bam! Throw that away. Bam! So this is what it looks like. These things will open up like this, so you can put your phone. Any phone should fit on it. Even if you have a case on your phone, this should still work. And then this is the bottom. It still has paper on it, but I don't really want to take the paper off until I'm ready to set it down or put it on my windshield. So this is what it looks like. So this is the instructions. This is some information on how to install it in your car. Some pictures. And there's some more stuff about it. And some more stuff. So there we go. That's the instructions. Here's the cable. And what's so good about this cable that's different than most cables, let's take the paper off if we can, is it's pretty long of a cable, if you can see that. But on this end, it's not just any normal cable. It's a USB-C type port right here. That's really cool. I wish every device had USB-C. And then has the normal USB to plug into to the wall or to your car charger. Okay. Then we have this. This is really nice. This is metal right here. Metal right here. Plastic right here. I think that's metal. Metal on the sides right here. Let's take this paper off. So it has, this is the charging that you plug this into for this device. Then the bottom one is for whatever else you want to charge. So it's good they include two of them. And then you plug this into your cigarette lighter. You plug this part in right here. And what I like about USB-C, you can plug it in any way you want. So you just plug it in like this. There you go. And then when you set this down anywhere, like just say my hand was the dashboard or the window, and then you put your phone right on it like this, into it. I wish I had a phone or something that I could plug into it, but I'm using my phone to record this video right now. So there you go. If you and then here you go, and then you can rotate it like that. Oh, see? Or you can rotate it. Ooh, you can rotate it upwards, but I don't know why you would rotate it upwards. But anyways, you can rotate it sideways, up like this, or you can rotate it like this if you want, or you can rotate it back like this. There you go. So there you go. It's pretty neat. This is what's all in the box. Pretty straightforward. Any device that has wireless charging, you can stick it on here and you can charge. So again, thanks for watching. If you don't mind liking this video, putting a comment below, and subscribing to my channel, and have a great day. Bye.